Okay, so here is our Prefect Cloud deployments page, and I add a well maintenance deployment here. It will trigger a maintenance request that the code is run on the Hugging Face page, and the trigger is when there is only one available well left. Now the available well is two, and one student used one of it, and I already update the well status here. So let's refresh it, and it will become one. Okay, and I will receive a Slack message here. Yeah, it says that this target face space requests our maintenance for the wellplate, and let's open the flow. Okay, and resume it. Input the name of the operator. Say it is me. Replace, finish the maintenance here. Okay, and after that, you will update the database for the available well. It will be 84, and also you will log who is the operator to finish this. Okay, let's go back here. 84, and the log.